Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing another Starbucks video for you guys. My hair is literally so bad. I don't know what's up with it. My bangs are growing out. Everything is just, this is my life. But for today, it's really cold outside. It's rainy. It's been rainy for the last couple of days. So, oh my god, I look so bad. I'm sorry, guys. So for today's video, I figured I would do some kind of hot drink. If you guys don't know, I prefer tea over coffee any day. So I've tried the iced chai tea. I've tried the chai frappuccino, and I decided today I was going to try the chai latte since it's hot. I love chai. I bought a chai tea that you can like make at home. I haven't tried it yet. I also bought oat milk to try in there, so I'm gonna be trying that soon. But I figured today we would try the hot chai drink, which I'm super excited about, and I hope you guys are too. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below what Starbucks drinks you guys want me to try in the future. I am having trouble finding some drinks, and they aren't coming out with any drinks right now because of quarantine, so hopefully there'll be new drinks soon. I'm trying to find some on TikTok, just like fun little crazy drinks. So let's go to Starbucks. Can I get a tall chai latte?
Yeah, is that hot or iced today?
Hot, please.
You got it.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Have a great one.
You too. Here we have it. My bangs are bad right now, I'm sorry. But I'm so excited to try it. Like I said, it's actually freaking cold outside. I gotta roll up my window because I'm gonna freeze. But I'm so excited. Okay guys, here we have it. The tall chai latte. It is hot. I'm scared I'm gonna burn myself. It was like what'd she say? It was $360 something or $390 something. I honestly don't remember. Even though she literally just told me, I forgot. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. Hopefully I don't burn this shit out of my mouth. So here we go. I hope it's good. Obviously I've had the other ones before, so I actually kind of know it's good, but I don't know if I like it hot. Here we go. Ooh, it kind of reminds me of like, it tastes like, it's like pumpkin spice without the pumpkin, if that makes any sense. Oh my god, that's so good. It feels, and it's not too hot. They made it like the perfect temperature to where it's not like scalding. It's so, oh my god, my hair. I'm sorry guys, I don't know what to do with it. It's so bad. This is so freaking good. It tastes amazing. Now I have to think about which one's my favorite. I guess it all depends. Like if it's cold outside, I'm gonna want a hot. If it's hot outside, I'm gonna want a cold. But honestly, I think my favorite one is the frappuccino, just because I love frappuccinos and it kind of reminds me of like a milkshake in a sense. And it's just like so good. But it tastes amazing. If you guys haven't had a chai latte, a chai iced latte, a chai frappuccino, you guys should definitely go try it. I highly recommend it. If you don't like coffee, I think you will like this. If you like coffee, you even might like this. But I know like some coffee drinkers don't like tea. I don't know why, but it just like happens that way. It's like you either like one or the other, and I'm someone who likes tea more than coffee, and I highly recommend it. Like 10 out of 10, totally recommend. Go get it. It's amazing. I'm obsessed. I wish Cole was here so he could try it. I'm obsessed. So now I have one I can make at home. I'm gonna have to try it and see if it tastes good. Maybe I'll do a video on that, like testing it and seeing if it is just as good as our Starbucks here. I think it's amazing. You guys should definitely go get it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.